Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan, living in Pakistan and wife of Pakistani. Charot. So guys, I have donut. Wow, I like donut. Look. Hi. So now we eat. Let's eat guys. I don't know. This is chocolate donut. Inside have chocolate. Mmm. Yum. So hot. Oh my god. Very, very hot. Init kayo guys. Kain tayo. Ako guys, nandito ako sa bahay ng amo ko. Stayin ako. And my holiday is end of the month. And then 3 days. Yung asawa ko, last time, bumili ako ng ganito. Napaka-ignorante eh. Diyos mio. I miss my mother-in-law. How she care me, how she treat me. Even my father-in-law is good for me, only for me. But her own son, not good for her own son. That's why I don't want to go there again her Father's Day because I'm so disappointed about what happened. So even her sister is we talking so many years. I think almost 5 years because that time we are not married when I start talking her sister, and then in I don't know, I can't imagine she's saying me like that. I can't imagine she not telling me because but she told to my husband. And that way. And I'm not stay here home long time, and if I stay, so I pay my food. And she's saying like that. Oh my god, I can't imagine like that. So that's why I don't like. And all is fake. I don't like people talking behind me, talking behind my back. I don't like that. And because I'm not talk behind her back, because I know it's not good. Why you not talk to front of him, front of her? It's so disappointed. Before yung hair ko, ang ikli dito. Ngayon mahaba na siya. Mahaba na yung hair. Oh my God. Pero, nano siya sa sa pagtali. My hair is so shiny. Ang init talaga dito sa Pakistan, guys. Ito, nasira to. May scotch tape na lang. Nilagyan ko ng scotch tape. Kasi kasi para dumikit siya ba.